Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Safari not working or crashing problem on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, if you are using Safari browser and it keeps crashing or it is not working, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open your App Store and then search for Safari, and from here you have to simply download and install the latest version of Safari browser on your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go for the next solution, that is you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, simply restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is open settings and then go to general and then software update, and update your software to the latest version if there is any update available for you like this. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to Safari browser in the settings. So guys, go to apps and go to Safari browser. From here it is, and now scroll it below, and from here tap on clear history and website data, and then clear history and website data of your Safari browser for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open the support app, and from here you can get any kind of help from the Apple team regarding this issue. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way to the Apple team, and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.